how to move photos from album to album on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Photos app on your mobile device and simply navigate to the photos you want to move. Once in there, all you have to do is simply select the photos you want to move. Then, once you select it, you will get to see the three dot icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Then simply tap on the three dot icon. There, tap on the Add to Album option available there. Once you tap on it, you will get to see all the iPhone's album available. You can simply choose one or create one by tapping the plus icon available at the top right as well. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.